what's up? Today is a Friday and wala akong work today. And ito yung first week of classes. So I've been pretty busy. Ang pangit ng diction ko. Medyo busy ako nung mga nakaraan. And I've been stressed. So I wanna use this day to unwind, to rest, and to do some of the things na hindi ko nagawa nung nakaraan. One of the major things na nakapagpa-stress sa akin for this week is yung orientation and reorientation program wherein ako yung isa sa mga panelist. Pero actually, hindi naman ako naging panelist. Parang ako yung taga-play mga videos. And si Philip naman yung naging moderator host. So, insert ko na lang yung clip dito.
So just comment your questions or clarifications. So we already know that you had your orientation before to our dean. Sa lahat ng tumulong sa amin para magawa yung event na to, thank you very much. And lalong-lalo na sa mga nanonood dito, sa mga students, participants na nag-attend. So hopefully hindi kayo magkaroon ng problema. So peace, power.
Flashback.
Good morning! Good afternoon. So today is the orientation program for BSCS and BSIT students. And right now, ayan, naka-set up na kami dito and I'm feeling so anxious right now. I'm really worried. My heart is palpitating like crazy. Yeah. So, wish us luck. Especially si Philip, ayan siya yung magiging moderator and host. Mukha naman siya yung Mr. DJ! Yeah. Siya si Chong Tibe. Yeah. Wish us luck. Magpa-pray lang ako.
End of flashback.
Yun is before yung event or before yung live, and wala na akong nagawang video or any vlogs after because I was really tired. But then I think meron si Philip, so yeah, pwedeng nasa channel niya. Anyway, I have some things to do today. I'm going to unbox some stuff that I bought online. And yung isang i-unbox ko, i-install ko na rin siya. So, keep on watching.
A few inches later. A little later. little longer than a few minutes later.
Hi, so nandito kami ngayon sa Tagaytay and instead of celebrating tomorrow, ang dami kasi ng tao. Pumunta na kami ngayon. Tapos kasama din namin si nanay. Tapos grocery na siya. Mahaba kasi yung pila so hindi kami pwede maghintay. So, hi. Yes, this is our first time to taste this. Ito yung sa akin.
Disclaimer.
Wala pa yung chicken mo, sis.
Later that night.
Bakit barbecue sauce?
Payabang! Payabang!
So, wala na akong ginawa after, kundi manood ng random YouTube videos. And now I'm editing the video exactly on the day when it happened. So, nothing special happened, really. But it's just fun na makagkaroon ng time para, alam mo yun, hindi ko intindihin yung mga bagay na kinakastress ko for the entire week. Plus, nagsipagdatingan yung mga purchases ko from Shopee, which is, well, sino bang taong hindi natutuwang mag-open ng mga regalo? No, so, parang, wala naman nagregalo sa akin, pero it's like a gift to myself from myself. Ayun. Hopefully, I can be more productive next week. This weekend, hopefully, I can be productive. And I hope this day help me para ma-achieve ko yung goal na yun. And although it's only the beginning of the semester, I'm having a hard time adjusting, but then again, I don't wanna quit. Yeah, I'll try to be more understanding, extensively understanding. And sana mas maging productive pa ako everyday. At sana hindi na ako magalit sa manok. Yun lang. So, salamat sa panonood. Kahit hindi naman ganun ka-interesting yung buhay ko. Salamat sa pagsama sa araw ko. Yun lang. I'll see you on the next vlog. Vlog? Vlog! I'll see you on the next vlog. Bye!